Hello and welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock we have this Toyota Corolla Sport Touring Estate version, finished in sterling silver metallic. It's a 1.8 VVT-H, so a hybrid model. It's an XL spec, so nice high spec. It's got front and rear parking sensors. You can see it's got privacy glass to the rear and the boot. Touchscreen Toyota Infotainment. You've got reverse camera. It's got dual zone climate control air conditioning. It's fully automatic and you have EV mode. You've also got two remote central locking keys, multi-function steering wheel. You've got collision prevention assist and also lane control, and this one is cruise control. So the car's done just under 105,000 miles. Electric windows and mirrors. Also has park assist, and up here you've got heated seats too for the passenger and the driver, and additional USB and 12-volt socket plug. Seats are half cloth and half leather. Nice and clean seats in the back as well. LED headlights. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.